Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Tom Green County in west central Texas, northeastern Marion County in west central Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Arden, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Arden around 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tankersley around 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Knickerbocker around 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Twin Buttes Reservoir around 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm included a 67 near the Arion-Tom Green County line. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.